Mutwarithia wa nduthi uretwo Patelo Geto aratuika uragirwo ni obitha wa borithi wa ceceni ya Kamukunji thutha wa eri acio kugiana kwa ihinda gwituika obitha ucio gwitagia Geto ihakiria ciringi 50. Kuragwo kwa mwanake ucio gututhurite marakara ma atwarithia a nduthi othe mucii munene wa Nairobi na gutabania mururungano barabara-ini itiganite nginyagia nja ya wabici ya umemereki ya kambuni ya Royal Media Services.
Ametoka amefika Kirinyaga Road, alikuwa anaenda Isiri. Askari amemshika ati akorongi saidi anamuitisha 50. Akamwambia hana 50. Askari akakoki bunduki akamgonga risasi ya shingo. Amekufa.
Mauma thigari 3. Aya angi mamwira atiri handu ha gucuti mundu handu ha gwika uguo renda gwika ri cuti roria mucinga na iguru. Riu uyu ni undu wa hasira ciake ri ndoko guthagutha mwanake amugutha kiongo. Na hingo mwanake uyu he mwanake ungi murata we mauma nake. Mwanake ono kugwagwa.
Kuragwo kwa mwanake ucio gugituma atwarithia a nduthi kumbura uria makoretwo makiagagio ni borithi mari mihango-ini yao ya ukui.
Vijana tunaumia tao. Imekuwa kitu ya kushikwa, kunyang'anywa pesa. Unaitishwa shilingi 50, 200. Kama una risasi. Juzi tumeshika mwingine, leo ni mwingine. Kesho tutapata wapi viongozi? Nao maaskari ni walevi. Tunaomba maaskari wote wenye wako Kamukunji watolewe wote.
Most of the issues nurakora handu muthiaria kunyita berenda gukunyanyasa aragwitia ngirire nduthio ngirigere ringi nduthio ni aroni mundu ucio ndena kindu gya kuriha nduthio ni aroni mundu ucio ndena kindu ena ciana ena andu marakita muturire wake nena andu maraprovidera.
Ruhonge rwa IPOA ruria ruthurimaga mitugo na migendere ya maobitha a borithi rugite ni rwambikite uthuthuria wa njama ino ugituika abitha ucio ni acokire kuhithukirwo ni muingi na kurumio nake mubunge wa gicigo gia Starehe Charles Njegwa akikomithia giko giki.
Hapa tuko na IPOA wako on the ground and we are calling on IPOA wafanye thorough investigations to make sure kujua what really happened, kwa sababu allegations on the ground ni kwamba askari alikuwa anaitisha daily collections.
Munini wa OCPD wa Kamukunji ni akirite mukode uhoro uyu akiuga abitha ucio aramukira urigiti na wona uthuthuria warikania gutashukirio ikinya ria watho.
Police officer also was injured. That is a civilian and a police officer. The police officer right now is admitted in Nairobi West Hospital in a critical condition, that is in the ICU, intensive care unit. And what we are telling the public is to remain calm, because nobody is indispensable when it comes to law, and the investigations have already started. We are going to do another investigation. The Inspector General of Police has already sent all the agencies involved, that is the IPOA and the Internal Affairs Unit, because those are independent bodies to investigate.
Mwiri wa mwanake ucio utwaritwo mocarini ya City guku Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.